Okay, so now I'm going to show you everything that I'm able to store in the Prius, and I will show you where I keep it. I'll go through it quickly. So I've emptied out everything from under the head of the bed. So this is all the storage I've gained because I took the seats out. Now I'll show you what I'm able to keep under there. Okay, so I was able to put all this stuff under the bed. This is just clothes I don't wear often, sweatshirts, bathing suits, long pants. Also Doug's are in here. That's my dirty laundry bag, which obviously is going to grow. That is all cables and chargers. A big jug of extra water that I can actually drink. And there's my backpack that I bring with me to the gym or wherever. My rollerblades, toilet. This is all camera gear, minus the things in my hand. And this is flex tape and duct tape in case I have to do any type of repairs. So simply by removing the back seats, even though that is a sacrifice, I'm able to have this much more stored in there and out of sight. Now I was carrying the backpack on top of the bed, but it bothered me that I couldn't hide it. So I made room for it underneath. I just thinned it out a little bit so I could fit it underneath. Okay, and this is the things that I fit behind the seats. So I have the fan, this is a box with food, this bag has all undergarments in it, and this packing cube has all my clothing in it. Now it's able to be pretty small just because it's summer and I just have shorts and shirts in there. So the Jackery, you know, and under there is a 2-gallon bucket that has a bunch of camping gear in it, mine and Doug's. I also have the tablet stuck there for now, but obviously that's going to move around. So then also on top of this box, I put this little bag of food. So bigger items can fit in here. It can zip up, it can squish down, or I can lay it on its side. So it doesn't interfere with the seat. So the good thing about this setup is if somebody wants to recline and sleep in the passenger seat, they can do that. I'll show you. So with everything set up like in driving mode, they can recline pretty far back. And that's a comfortable place to sleep while the other person's driving. And over here I have the fridge. And there is another big jug of water that I can drink, and I think the pee bottle ended up under the seat. I also have a couple books here. This is the 2 sleeping bags and inflatable pillows that you've seen. So now I'll show you the front seat. I have a water filter, and this water I just use to wash dishes, rinse dishes off, because it's sitting in a plastic bottle all day. I don't want to drink from it, even filtered. I think I'm going to bring my basketball this time. I have the front windshield shade. It's actually Velcroed over here. But I guess I didn't really need to, because then I added this. Let me show you what this is. This is everything I need to brush my teeth. A spit bottle, water to rinse with, some toothpaste, and a little spray water bottle to rinse my toothbrush or whatever. And a little toothbrush. So I use this when I need to brush my teeth in the car. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it here or not. I'm trying to use available kind of airspace here for every little thing that I can think of. So I even have a cup to drink out of there. And this little thing has all pens and highlighters and keys. Bracelets, and these are my knee pads for rollerblading. Now let's go to the other side. Right, so these are my bags for shopping. They have produce bags in there, and it's 2 big, good-sized shopping bags. I have more water here for washing dishes. And as you can see, I have towels on each seat just to keep the seats clean, and also if we go to the beach or whatever, we can use them. These aren't counting the towels we have for showering. Then I keep a little planner in here and my cell phone when I don't bring it with me, so it's out of sight. We have 2 mounts for cell phones. And I added this little pouch over here by my legs. So as you can see, it doesn't interfere with anything. And I can keep thin things in there. I've got it Velcroed there, so hopefully that'll hold. In case you're wondering what this is, I have a dash cam, but it just keeps falling down, so I have to figure out how to mount that. And I have the road atlas there, and that's just where I keep my change, and there's the level and tweezers, and the dash cam that I need to mount. And this is just a place to put things so they don't slide around. That's actually been very helpful. If you just want to put down your sunglasses for a few minutes, they don't slide around. And this is just a visor pouch. Got a bunch of stuff in there. And clips with different glasses, sunglasses, reading glasses, and driving glasses. And that's where I keep my driving sunglasses. It's pretty amazing how much I can fit in here now that the back seats are removed, and it just makes it so much neater. So hopefully I'll get a video as I'm traveling in the next few weeks and spending most of my time in the car, really giving it a good test run. I will keep you posted how everything's going, and thanks for watching. Take care.